Hi, my name is Ezekiel and I give your pets a voice. The role of an animal communicator is to be the bridge between the pets and their owners. So our job is basically to relay messages from the animals to the owners and vice versa. So for animal communicators, we are trained to not just connect and talk to pets that are alive. We are also trained to go to this place called the Rainbow Bridge to find pets that have already graduated. We can make connection to the fur kids at the bridge. We can ask them how are they doing, are they still in pain, any more discomfort in their body, or even simple questions like, do you have any messages that you wish to pass to your owners? So the TED essay actually helped me to have a better and smoother communication, because when the owner sent me their pet pictures, I'm able to see it very clearly. And sometimes when I do video calls with my clients which are overseas, the sound quality is very good, the visuals are good, and there's no lag time, so the whole process was very, very smooth. Even on my own, when I'm using the Tab S8 for bookkeeping, it is actually very convenient. So now with our S8, what it does is, I can computerize everything and all the notes are captured in one folder. So it definitely helped me a lot in my career. It's so important to give the fur kid a voice because we want to understand them so that we can improve our connection with them, improve their quality of life, get to know them at a deeper level, and also, to think about what's going on in their little head, how they view this world. So it's like kids, how they view the world is very different from how adults view the world. Hi, my name is Ezekiel, and I give your pets a voice.